Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this, excuse me, Gaggia Classic Espresso Machine. So let's go ahead and pour a shot. I put some really fine coffee in here that I usually use for stronger machines. So that's why it's only coming out through one spout. I think we're just getting channeling on one side a little bit. It's not an issue with the coffee machine, it's just that the grind is too fine. But you can see we have really good crema. And thank you for testing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.